We are to find the inverse of the function f, where f of x is equal to 2x over x minus 6. Now, in order to find an inverse, the thing that we do is switch x and y. So the first thing that we'll need to do is rewrite this then as y instead of f of x. So we'll have y equals 2x over x minus 6. Now we'll switch the x's and y's, so everywhere there's a y we'll put x, and everywhere there's an x we will put y. The next step then is to solve for y. Now we have y in the denominator here, and anytime we have a rational equation, the best thing to do, if possible, is to clear the fractions. So we'll do that by multiplying both sides by y minus 6. So we'll have x times y minus 6 equals 2y over y minus 6 times y minus 6. So all we've done here is multiply both sides by y minus 6. And the reason we do that, this is like y minus 6 over 1, the reason we do that is so that these y minus 6's will cancel. Now if we multiply through here by x, we'll have xy minus 6x equals 2y. In order to solve for y, we will need y on one side of the equation, and here we have it on both sides. So we'll subtract 2y from both sides, and we'll wind up with xy minus 2y minus 6x equals 0. Now we don't want terms that don't have y on this side over here, so we will add 6x to both sides. Now we'll wind up with xy minus 2y equals 6x. We can't combine these two terms because they're not alike, but what we can do is factor a y out. And so we'll have y times x minus 2 equals 6x. Now the only thing being done to y is multiplication, and to undo multiplication we divide, so we will divide both sides by x minus 2, and we'll wind up with y equals 6x over x minus 2. So using the inverse function notation, we will say then that the inverse function of f is 6x over x minus 2. So this function is the inverse of this function.